Hello there, and this is Michael Kinsler moving on with the next tutorial here on the e-commerce shopping carts, and I'm going to show you how to put text into the website. In other words, and links and colors and images and these information and pages. How it's actually done, and it's very straightforward. And it's the same for each thing. If you see this little boy coming up here, I'm going to pick on web design. It's called the HTML editor, and this is fairly straightforward. If you're used to the internet or if you've posted on the internet, this is a fairly simple HTML editor. If you're new to it, basically I think I'll have to do a couple of videos on this, split into maybe 3 or 4, I don't know, depending how fast I get through all this. So basically, when you write your documents out, the best way to do it is actually write it on Word and actually copy and paste. You can do all your what you call it. You can do all your spell check on Word, Microsoft Word, or any program that uses spell check, and then just copy and paste straight into here. And I'll show you how that's done. So basically, it's a bit of difference here. So it's Control X just to take it out. So now if I want to import it, so I want to paste, so this lad here come up, it's Control V, it's just a security, just to check it out. So Control is actually on the left bottom of your keyboard, Control V, and then press OK, and there it is back again. So it's very straightforward. Copy and paste, you just got to follow the on-screen instructions. Again, moving on, then you've got source. So once you have your information in, you don't want to save it straight away, you would just want to change it here. Here's a handy place to change it. So we'll click on the first big button, source. Now you don't want to go near this at all. It's actually the coding of the website, and that's it. You don't want that. So this is what you want to be seeing, and then you want to go into maximize for full screen, and there again all the buttons are up there and you can actually see it full screen, and then you can just do all your little changes. I prefer to do it like this in the smaller screen. Again, you've got bold, italic, underline, and you can put a line through it. There's those 3 buttons there. Pardon me. And you see these 2 arrows here, you can actually go back and actually edit them. So that's back to where it was. Moving on, X2 and X2. Now this is a great little thing. This is, there you go, you can make it that size. Or you can change it around to upper. So you need to highlight it. That's a bit you want to change. And there you go. If you want to change, then back, back, back. There we go. Again, you got your bullets, you got your numbers, and again you can just keep going. Let me go back on that actually. You write something in there, and then you write something in there, and you can do, there you go. That's how that's done. So now you know what the button's for. I'll just bring that back up. Now then you got bullets here beside it, which are again same thing. So take them out. Whoops, too far. And then you've got this lad here, which is quite handy. If you highlight the text, and you can shift it across, shift it back, shift it across, shift it back. Again, I don't use it myself. Now, then you've got these lads here. So if you highlight it and put it in the center, put it to the right, that's it. Fairly straightforward again. And then you've got this symbol here, which will show you characters that are not in your keyboard, special characters, so which you can put into the actual website. So see, there you go, that's how you do that. Again, we know what this button is here. Font, highlight it, click the font that you want. Again, there's a few of them here. You can change your font, you can change the font size. Again, here, make it 11, make it 12, and then you can go into text color. So I want to change the colors here. So I want to take it as a kind of a movie color. So there you go. Now the hyperlink there, we can actually change the color in it as well, but just hold on there now for a second. We'll just move on. So we just get that there, and then automatic. There we go. So that's text and that's over text. So that's fairly straightforward. So we want to change that. Now you want to make a what's known as a hyperlink. And what I'll do is I'll make another video for this, because this is getting a bit elaborate. Time's running out, so I'll make another video for this. This will be HTML editor 2, and I'll go through how to insert pictures here from your folder and how to actually put in a link like this one here, but you can actually make it, you know, to click here type of thing. Okay then.